Hi, I'm Jen. I'm a self-taught watercolour eco-artist based in the heart of the beautiful Cotswold countryside. Whilst brainstorming, I thought, why can't eco-friendly products be beautiful? I'm very passionate about the environment and believe that we all need to do our bit to help protect the planet. Therefore, I have produced all of my products in an eco-friendly way, using only sustainable and environmentally friendly sources where possible. It is also important to me to make my products as affordable as possible. I really want everyone to have the ability to inject some life and colour into their homes. My current collection includes originals and prints of my work, a collection of eco cards, eco bags, eco mini bags, colour for homeware, kitchenware and lots more, with hopefully more to come in the coming years. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please feel free to find me on Instagram and Facebook at Jen Winnett Art.